Hey everybody, it's Bruce here with Traveling with Bruce. Just got some breaking news from Royal Caribbean and from Holland America. Cruises are being canceled for enhanced work in dry dock. Subscribing to my channel, thank you everybody. Also, thank you for giving my videos thumbs ups. I really appreciate your support. Let's get started here with Holland America. They just announced yesterday that they are going to cancel a cruise that it was supposed to happen February the 1st, less than a month from now. They've taken a one-week cruise in the Caribbean off the table, have notified all of their customers that they can shift to another ship for a winter Caribbean cruise or a winter Mexican cruise. If they do that, they will be given a 100% future credit for, in effect, a free cruise. Take the cruise you've paid for on another ship, and we'll give you basically 100% future cruise credit for any cruise you want. If you want to take a cruise, say to Alaska or Europe or somewhere else, rather than take another winter cruise that you've already booked, we'll let you do that as well, but we'll just give you a 50% future credit. So it's up to you. If you take another Caribbean cruise or a Mexican Riviera type cruise, 100% future credit on top of your fare. So good deal. The ship has to go into Grand Bahama for Azopod work. They had an issue back December 14th, and they're going to do a full repair now for this 1 week. So it's not a bad deal. Over here on Royal Caribbean, however, this is a different story. The Liberty of the Seas was supposed to go in for dry dock in January, February of 2021. And now we find out, as of last night, Royal Caribbean has canceled an additional 5 weeks of sailings for the Liberty of the Seas. They have canceled for 2021, February the 14th, February 21st, February 28th, March 7th, and March 14th. 35 extra days where the ship will not be sailing with paying customers. That means that this ship is in effect going into dry dock for upwards of 65 days. And that's screaming at me that the likelihood is that this ship is going into Cadiz, Spain, similar to the Oasis of the Seas, the Allure of the Seas, for a major $160 possible $1 million dry dock. This is a big deal. Photos here that you're looking at now are from the Oasis of the Seas just a couple months ago. She was in for 6 weeks and got, in effect, longer than that, 10 weeks for her 60-day, $165 million refurbishment. It is possible that a major redo is going to be done on the Liberty of the Seas. I can tell you, Royal Caribbean is saying nothing. They are only talking about canceling these cruises and offering passengers other opportunities. In the case of Liberty of the Seas passengers, they can get a $200 cabin credit if they transfer to another cruise leaving out of Galveston, which the Liberty of the Seas was supposed to do. If they go on the Liberty of the Seas or the Jewel of the Seas, any other cruisings other than these canceled dates, they'll get a $200 US credit for an inside ocean view, balcony view room. If they've had a suite reserved and they do a shift in the suite, they get a $400 credit as well. So they're offering that. If the customer doesn't take another cruise out of Galveston or doesn't take any other Royal Caribbean cruise, they'll just get a refund and no compensation whatsoever. Good news is that the passengers are being given 13 months warning that these 5 cruises are being canceled. The question I have is just what is Royal Caribbean going to do with the Liberty of the Seas? Are they going to look at an upgrade similar to what they did on the Oasis of the Seas with a whole new pool deck on the upper deck with new restaurants? Or are they talking about the possibility of adding perhaps another deck of accommodation? There's a lot of speculation that's going to be surfacing here. We'll have to watch and see what Royal Caribbean says in the next few months. As far as Holland America goes, this cruise line is doing the prudent thing. They've got a propulsion problem. They brought the ship in for a quick 1-week fix back in December. Now they've got the permanent replacement parts, and they're taking the ship back to Grand Bahama, and they'll do a permanent fix and allow that ship to go back to work after only 1 week of downtime. Royal Caribbean, however, This ship is in for a major change, and it sounds exciting. We'll see what the plans are. Thanks for joining me today. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and welcome your comments. We'll talk to you later, everybody. Bye for now.